Hey guys, welcome to Rosie's Dessert Spot. Today we'll be making this white chocolate shard decorated cake. I'm starting off with my 5-inch cake. You can cut your cakes in half if you like and fill them with buttercream. I've kept mine super thick because it is a mud cake and it's very rich on its own, so it didn't need too much buttercream in the middle. Create a crumb coat, trap in all the crumbs and then smooth it out with your frosting scraper. Use a spatula to drag that top lip towards the middle and then refrigerate your cake for about 20 minutes so that it has time to harden. Here I'm using turquoise or teal coloured frosting instead. I've just used some teal gel food colour by Chef Master. Starting at the top, smoothing it out and then working my way down the sides of the cake. When it has been generously covered, grab that scraper again and smooth it out. When you're happy with the sides, drag that top lip towards the middle and you can refrigerate it one more time for 20 minutes or until the icing is hard to the touch. For the chocolate shards, I've just taken some Nestle chocolate, so compound chocolate, melted it in the microwave for about 30 seconds, do that twice until it's completely melted, and now I'm using baking paper and my spatula to really smooth it out and thin it out. Cut downwards while the chocolate is still wet to separate each individual shard, and then after about 20 minutes they should be completely dry and you can peel them off without any issues. If some of them break apart, don't worry, that's a good thing. We are going to be using some of the shorter ones and taller ones on the side of our cake. You can take some edible luster dust if you like and just dust over in a few different colors. I'm using some baking paper to catch all the fall off. Be sure to use a soft brush for this as well, something super flexible. When you're ready to assemble, you can take some more of that buttercream into a piping bag, pipe a small line behind each shard, and then stick them onto the side of the cake, overlapping slightly so it has a bit more of a unique kind of a look. The shorter ones, you can drag them up or down, however you think looks best. Just make it look as random as possible, really. I have some tall ones and some short ones to add a bit more dimension to the cake. And then here I've added in edible gold cookies with, again, a little bit of buttercream to help stick them on. This cake is perfect for beginners in cake decorating. You can really hide any of the messes that you make on your buttercream cake with the shards, so great little sneaky way to clean up your cakes if you so choose to. But anyway, I hope you give it a go. If you do, hashtag Rosie's Dessert Spot so I can check it out. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again in the next one.